Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss how to add hyperlinks to the image or the image mapping property. So here, first of all, we will discuss what is image map. So image map is an image that can be used as one or more hyperlinks. Or an image map will typically have multiple selectable or clickable areas that links to the another web pages or the website. So these selectable areas are known as hotspots. So image map can be configured in various selectable area shape, like it may be in rectangle, circle or polygons. So the image map requires use of image element, map element and one or more area element. So let's see how here I have declared or designed this HTML program. So in body section, I have used this map element. So in body section, first of all, I have declared this heading, h1 heading, then it paragraph. After that, the image element. So here in image element, I have used this source attribute equals to mi.jpg, that is the name of the image. And next I'm declaring the width of the image and the height of the image and its alternate name. Next of it, I have used the another attribute named as useMap equals to hashtag flower map. So this useMap is used to associate a map element with the image element. So this useMap attribute is used to link these two elements, image element and this map element. So next to it, the another element is map element. So this map element is a container tag that indicate the beginning and the ending of the image map description. So this map element contain name and the ID attribute. So this one is the name. Here the name is used to associate the map tag with its corresponding image tag. And the name is same as that of this useMap attribute. So this name and this one name must be same. After that, we are using the another element named as area element. So this area element defines the coordinates or edges of the clickable area. It is a void tag because we are not using the closing area tag with this. So in between area tag, I am using the various attribute like shape attribute, coordinate attribute, alternate name attribute or the hypertext reference attribute. See here, I am mentioning the shape of the attribute as circle, and after that I am mentioning its coordinate like x-axis, y-axis and next the radius of the circle. So I have mentioned before that we can represent the image in three different shapes: rectangle shape, circle shape and the polygon. If I write here the rectangle, then we have to mention here 4 coordinate for x1, y1, x2, y2. And if here I have write the polygon, then we have to write here the 6 coordinate, that x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So as we have mentioned here the shape as circle, so here we have to write the coordinate, these 3 coordinate for the x, y and this for the radius. After that I have given the alternate name, that is equal to the flower, and next I have mentioned the hypertext reference or the link to the another website when we will click over to the image. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. So for that, save the program and go to the run and launch in Chrome. So you can see that it will display like this in the browser. So this image will be displayed here, this flower image. So when you will click over to this flower image, as you can see that if you go outside of this, here you can see that this arrow sign will change into this clickable form. So as you will click over to it, the another website that is linked to it will be open. So this flower images website that I link to this image will appear as you click over to it. So this is how we can add the image map property to the HTML program. The next we will discuss about the favorite icon. How to add the favorite icon to the HTML or the browser. So these favorite icons are also known as the fav icon, which is a square image associated with the web page. So these fav icon display in the browser's address bar, tab, or the favorites and the bookmark list. So the fav icon is associated with the link tag with other three attributes, that is relation attribute, type attribute, and the hypertext reference attribute. So here you can see that in head section I have declared this link element, and in between link element I have used this various attribute. First one is the relation attribute. The value of relation attribute is equal to icon in the quotation mark. After that, the next attribute is hyper reference attribute. So hypertext reference attribute value is the name of the image file. So this is the name of the image file, that is favicon.jpg. Next is the type. Here the value of the type attribute describe the MIME type of the image. So the MIME type of the image is image/jpg in quotation mark. So this is how we can add the favorite icon in HTML program by using this syntax. So this favorite icon will appear here to the website address. So this is the favorite icon which I have added using this fav icon jpg hypertext reference. So this is how we can add the image map and fav icon to the HTML program. Thank you.